Let's hop in for a ride along right here with my friend Sergio.
Door lock still works.
Yeah.
Park this in the hood.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Strapped up. So first we'll do this shoulder harness.
Okay. I better close this first.
No, don't worry about that.
Okay.
Well, I'll have Pete close it.
Okay.
Or if you, yeah, actually you might as well reach it. He looks entertained.
Yeah. Go.
There you go. So shoulder harness.
Okay.
All right. You have your lap, right? Or no? Here, that's right. It's here.
Oh, this one's
So feed that one through here. Just like that. And then the sub. I can hold the camera.
Yeah, that'd be great. Is it? Oh,
It's on the floor.
down here, I see. Yeah. Slightly inexperienced with
That's okay.
harnesses, but it might be a little tight here.
And we can pull the red strap up. Right there, yep. Just pull that up. Yep.
Oh, I see.
Cool. And grab your other lap. It's down there. There you go. And put this underneath it all. Yep.
Okay.
And then this
yeah.
thing flips over.
And grabs it?
Yep. So once you lock it in, flip it up.
Oh, I see. I'm missing it.
You can also move the chair back, get you a little more waist.
Yeah, I might need to do
Yep,
that.
it's this handle right on the side there. You see that? There you go. Sweet.
Yeah, that might help us out a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Cool. Now pull these down.
This?
Yep, there you go. Yep. Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah.
Thank you for your patience with all
Yeah,
that.
I'm good.
All right, I think I feel strapped in.
Cool.
Let's go.
I hit a cone.
Oh.
Yep. The whole experience, pal.
So this the turbo diesel or just diesel or
Just a 1.8 turbo.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And you're on studs today because you're running IIRA?
Yep.
Excellent. I haven't been in a studded car before.
This thing, totally different animal. I really like that.
That one?
I had one and I never studded it. It was my daily, you know?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
They're supposed to look at it, you know?
That was crazy.
Object fixation.
Yeah. This thing rips though.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. That was so fun. What the heck?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
If anybody else wants to know.
That was a good dang time. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Great driving. That was really spicy there at the beginning, keeping right on that guy's tail.
Yep. And then he got away.
Oh, that was sick. Oh, that was fun. That's crazy. You want to leave this open or close it?
Close it.
Close it, okay. Oh my gosh. I need a race car.
Everybody needs one.
I know.
There's some for sale. They're not that expensive. There's one for sale I know that's fully set up, was built to be a race car. It's a Golf. And
Is it one of the like 70s Golfs?
no, I think it's the 80s. There were rabbits in the 70s.
Oh, I see.
They're gonna give us one more 10-minute sprint.
Yeah?
I want to go out there and
Hit it.
hit it.
Let it rip. Can I leave this right here? Is this okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Did you see how much gas was in it?
Half tank.
Okay. I don't know if a guy should fill it or not. Probably not.
Oh, that was fun.
I just want to make sure, did it go up a little bit? Because last time it seemed like it hung up there and then all of a sudden it went. What was your name again?
Jacob, thanks so much for letting me ride.
Betcha.
That was a great time.
Alright, stay at half tank.
I don't trust him.
Yeah, okay.
Keep it on until you
Add
see
some
it.
more.
Keep it on until
Thank you so much. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you too.
I'll have photos and videos in the Facebook group,
Yeah,
so
sweet. Well,
find me on there and I can get you that too.
Cool.
all
Hell yeah.
21 and it's all passing cars and winning.
Yeah, yeah. Sounds good. You guys have a good one. Thank you. What a crazy time. That was so much fun. Huge thank you again to Pete and Sergio for letting me ride along. That was so fun. I gotta get a race car now, man. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this has been IIRA Ice Racing at the Chisago Celebration of Lakes event. Thank you to all the IIRA volunteers who put it on and all the drivers who come out and have a good time and give rides like those guys. And hopefully we'll get out to another one soon. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you at another event sometime soon. Peace.